This is called digit symbol coding, right? Yeah. So in each of these questions, groups of letters is given followed by 4 combinations of digits and symbols. The letters are to be coded by digits or symbols as per the scheme and conditions given below. Serial number and the combination that correctly represents the letter group is your answer. If none of the combinations is correct, your answer is 5, none of these. Okay. So what is the conditions given? See, you have a word here given is revolve. You have to find the code for this. Now, here the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel. Correct? What is the condition given? If the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, then both the codes are to be interchanged. So what does that mean? Actually, what is the code for R? The code for R is 6 and the code for E is hash. So if the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, their codes have to be interchanged. The first should be hash and the last one should be 6. Yes. Now, if you look at the options, there is only one option which has this such a code. Yeah. So this is anyway going to be your answer, but you can cross check. Since there is an option none of these, you can find out the codes for the other letters also to verify your answer. See, what is the code for E? The code for E is again hash. The code for V is 2. The code for O is and. The code for L is star. Again, the code for V is 2. So your answer is option 2. Very easy question, mark scoring 1. Again, loyalty. Here loyalty, the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is also a consonant. So it is given here, if the first and the last letters are consonant, then both are coded as the first consonant. So what is the first consonant here? L. Code for L is star. So what are they saying? For L and for Y, yes, you should use the same code star. Okay. Now what is the code for O? The code for O is and. The code for Y is this. The code for A. Again, the code for L is star. The code for T is 8. So this is the answer that you are looking at. That is option. Sorry. D is this symbol, no? Yeah. Answer that we are looking at is this option 3. Okay. Again, very easy one. What is the answer for this one? Again, you have O and G. So here it is first letter is a vowel and the second letter is a consonant. Okay. So both are coded as the vowel means. Here, what is it that you have? You have O. O is and. So this also you code it as and. Then find the code for the remaining. So you will get the code as and 9. Yes, that's your answer. That is option 4. 2 and 4 look very similar. It is actually 4. Right. At the rate exclamation 5 plus. So it is this 4. Yes.